very much happy to be present here in this scientific session organized by the Department of Orthopedics, that is well contributed by Renata Hospital. And today is one of the very important and very common topics,
Frozen shoulder.
By your own experience, many of you probably had suffered or will suffering from or will have to suffer from this frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis. And this is a good answer for this long morbid diseases. And I like to pay my special thanks and gratitude to Renata Pharmaceutical for their contribution and participation of this well-organized scientific session. অবশ্যই Department of Orthopedics, all the teachers, especially those who are working for the success of this seminar, I like to pay my thanks and gratitude. সবাইকে আবারও আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে এই সায়েন্টিফিক সেশনের এই অংশটার সমাপ্তি ঘোষণা করছি। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আমরা আজকে আনন্দিত এবং খুশি।